Hey guys, Casey with Tucker Speed. I wanted to introduce our new product, our soft bag pannier plates for the Pan America. These utilize the factory mounting racks. There's no disassembly, no modification required, and it allows you to switch from your trail soft panniers for off-roading to your highway touring hard panniers for when you're making long hauls over highway. One of the reasons you would want a soft bag or a soft pannier on your adventure bike, honestly, is for safety. You can only imagine falling down and getting your leg trapped between one of those hard panniers in the ground. Not a good thing to do. So for safety is one reason you would want these. The other reason is they can take a lot more abuse. There's a little bit of give to these, so if you drop your bike, it's not as rigid. Where I've been on trips where I've seen other riders go down with hard panniers, and a lot of the times those hard panniers take a lot of damage and they end up breaking off. Our soft pannier plates are utilizing SW Motec's Cis Bag WP. They have a few different sizes. With our soft bag pannier plates, we wanted to go with SW Motec because it's a reputable brand and they have a quality product. I have put these things through a torture test of a lot of off-road miles. This bike has spent a lot of time on its side and these things have still not broken down. In the process of designing these, we had two main focuses: durability and simplicity. I don't want to be dealing with problems when I'm out on the trail. We used a common size trailer hitch pin that you can pick up at any hardware store as one of the pieces of hardware. That way, if you get in a pinch, something breaks, you lose something, you can get another pin in a small town, something like that. Or you can get creative. Honestly, just using a zip tie would get you off the trail. Another thing we did is we wanted them to be lightweight and corrosion resistant. So these are powder coated and it's made out of 6061 aluminum with our custom snap bushings that are made out of polycarbonate to be UV resistant and impact resistant. So we designed our kit off of an SW Motec soft pannier. It is meant to be a universal mounting plate. There's gonna be more holes on this than necessary for this bag, but that's gonna allow you to use other manufacturers' bags with different options. So you can kind of use whatever bag you have within reason, as long as it's within a similar dimension as these plates. So we're gonna show you how we strap these down before we take off. That's it, strapped down, ready to go. I'm gonna coil these up so they're not flopping everywhere, and then we just have to throw them on. All right, we're gonna show you how quick and easy it is to swap from your hard panniers to our pannier plate that allows you to run whatever soft pannier you'd like. Pop the pin off, slide it out. We're gonna slide it over the bobbins. I do just a quick hit to secure it. Drop the pin in, and you're ready for the trail. All right, everyone. Well, if you want to pick up a set of your own soft bag pannier plates, you can get them at tuckerspeed.com, and we'll have a link for the bags in the description of the product.